If you are bleeding money every single month on 5 different expensive AI subscriptions, you are probably crying into your coffee right now. Managing all those bills is a complete nightmare. KIAI claims to fix this massive headache by replacing your entire tech stack for one tiny fee, without sacrificing any quality. But we have heard this exact promise before. Let us see if it's actually true or just more fake launch hype. Hey there. Kamal from TestedApps.com here. I've spent the last 6+ years deep in the trenches of SEO and affiliate marketing. I test shiny objects so you do not have to. I buy these tools, I push them to their absolute limits, and I tell you what actually works in the real world. Today, we're looking closely at KIAI. You're getting an honest review, real results, absolutely zero fluff. Before we get into the dashboard, I have a quick heads up. If you watch this review and decide to pick this software up, grab it through my private link right below this video. I've put together an exclusive bonus package designed specifically to help you get actual traffic and make real money with this tool. Full details are waiting for you in the description. So what exactly is KIAI? It's an all-in-one artificial intelligence platform built specifically for digital marketers, freelance writers, and even complete beginners. The main promise is huge. It gives you access to a massive trillion-parameter model and an entire swarm of AI agents. The core benefit here is that you get enterprise-level power to create unlimited videos, graphics, and sales copy. And you get all of this without those painful monthly billing cycles. The sales page makes it sound like absolute magic, but here's the reality broken down into 3 dead simple steps. Step 1 is access. You log into the cloud dashboard. It's easier to use than setting up a new email account. Step 2 is create. You simply type out your idea or prompt. Tell it to make a YouTube short or write an email sequence. No coding degrees or PhDs required to operate this. Step 3 is cash in. You take those high-quality assets and deploy them in your marketing campaigns. Boom, instant profit potential. Let us look at what actually moves the needle and gets results. First up is the multi-agent framework. This is a massive painkiller. Instead of you doing all the prompt engineering, multiple AI agents work together to finish your complex projects fast. Second is the unlimited media engine. You can generate stunning graphics and cinematic videos instantly. This saves you thousands on stock footage and countless hours trying to learn video editing software. Third is the built-in code and funnel builder. You can deploy complete landing pages just by typing what you want. Imagine launching a fresh affiliate campaign in 20 minutes instead of wrestling with WordPress for 3 days. That's a massive emotional win for any marketer. Now, let's talk about the money, because this is where the value gets crazy. The front-end price today is just $15.99, one single time. Let's compare that to the industry standards. A basic ChatGPT Pro account is $240 a year. Gemini Ultra and premium video generation tools will easily drain another $500 from your bank account annually. With KIAI, you pay once today and you own the access forever. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hi guys, I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing Mimo AI. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the Mimo AI software, Xiaomi's most advanced AI ever. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel, you'll have access to dashboard, AI chat, history, coding, Creative Studio, text-to-speech, SEO toolkit. In this dashboard, you'll see easy access to all features of Mimo AI software. Let's begin with AI chat. Type the prompt you need and then hit the enter button to see the results. Within a fraction of seconds, it will give you the results for your prompt. And if you're not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate it again. Then the history section shows you the history of all chats, coding, SEO audits, etc. in it. Let's jump to the coding feature. Just enter the prompt and then hit enter. And then wait for a few seconds to see the results. It will give you the entire codings for your projects. Next, Creative Studio. It is also known as High-Level Advanced Text-to-Image, Text-to-Video, and Image-to-Video Generator. Just enter the prompt you need, and hit enter to see the magic in seconds. And here's the cool thing, you can directly animate the generated image to a video clip without downloading the image. Just click the Animate button to start the video generation. Within a minute it will give you the video like this. If you want to generate a video with the prompt, just clear the source, and then enter the prompt and hit enter to see the magic. Then, text-to-speech feature. With this you can easily generate voice-overs using text. Enter the text you need, select the voice, format, style, and then hit the Generate Speech button below to see the result like this.
Tomorrow, we launch the new Mimo Workspace experience. The whole product now moves with one clear voice.
And the SEO Toolkit. It will be more helpful for your site's pages to rank higher in the results. Then finally, this account option gives you access to change your account password, and to view other details like name, email, role, time zone, etc. I've covered all the options inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.
Of course, there is a funnel attached. Here are the optional upgrades you need to know about right now. OTO1 is the unlimited edition for $37. This completely removes any remaining restrictions. Get this if you plan to run an agency or pump out high-volume daily content. OTO2 is the done-for-you prompts pack for $97. This gives you a massive library of proven commands. This is my top pick for anyone who struggles with staring at a blank screen. OTO3 is the agency license for $47. Grab this if you want a central dashboard to manage and sell AI services directly to local business clients. OTO4 is PageMate for $37. This is a dedicated AI funnel builder for high-converting pages. I put this entire system through my usual torture test. I threw complex direct response copywriting requests at it. I asked it to generate highly specific video scripts. I expected the servers to crash and burn like an old laptop trying to host NASA databases. But surprisingly, the platform held up perfectly. The outputs were punchy and highly engaging. It easily passed the skeptical Sam test. The videos rendered fast and the interface was actually intuitive. It really does do the heavy lifting for your daily tasks. But let's keep it entirely real for a second. This is not a magic ATM machine that spits out cash while you sleep. It's not for lazy people who refuse to learn basic marketing principles. You'll still need to understand your audience. You'll still need to build a real offer and drive actual traffic to your links. The AI builds the race car for you, but you still have to get in and drive it across the finish line. If that sounds like too much work for you, keep scrolling. Take a second and imagine waking up tomorrow without having to juggle 7 different expensive software subscriptions. Imagine having an entire creative agency living right inside your laptop, ready to work 24/7 without ever asking for a paycheck. That's the freedom and power that KIAI unlocks for your digital business. The link to grab your copy is right below this video. Remember, this is a special launch window. That low one-time pricing will not last much longer. Once the timer expires, you'll be stuck paying monthly fees like everyone else. Got any specific questions about the funnel or the features? Drop a comment below right now, and I'll reply to you. Hit that like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews from the trenches. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. Go crush your campaigns, and I'll see you in the next video.